Yeah. One bedroom villas with private pool. So this thing is on the second floor. We have fourth floor here. Floor in the middle. Yes. And sometimes in midday. There's a monkey go around. So please always keep your villa door closed and locked. Sometimes they come inside the villa and they're looking for food. Sometimes they make a mess. So we are on the Bali line now, and if you want to use stairs to get down. If you're walking in the morning, you can find in the middle of the road. Yeah, like it's over there. So I think we are in the villa 218.
This one?
Yes. Please. This is the number,
Please.
and this will come. Your villas. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Show me, please.
Yeah.
So.
First, we have fruit for you here. It's a complimentary. We have banana chips and macaroni, juice, rosella blossom, orange juice. And for here, we have a mini bar, and it's chargeable. It's the price list.
Champagne as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Over here, we have a coffee and tea. It's a complimentary. And it's your safety box. And then at the back, we provide you hair dryer, and you can use this bag while you stay here. And hair. This is your bathtub, the setup. Inside shower, please. And we have also outside shower over here. Over here is outside shower. Outdoor shower, I mean. Yeah, you can use in the day, during the day. During the night time, we don't have light, so.
Okay.
Toilet. This is the laundry box. You want laundry and it's the price for that. The water tap is only for washing your face or not drink, yeah? And then the pool. The pool is size around 3 meter times 6 meter.